Sunshine, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been gone for a very long time. I'm not going to make any excuses about it. I went on vacation and I haven't really been home since then. Just been hanging out with friends and just kind of really slacking on this channel. So I am so sorry. But I want to get back into it and I'm feeling motivated and inspired again to create. So today, since it is almost fall, I decided I would do this very fall-esque kind of look with some oranges and browns. So if you want to see that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below before we get started, and let's jump right in. For my crease color, I'm going in with the Libra, and I'm just going to buff that all in my crease. Now I'm taking the color the Aries and I'm focusing that on the outer corner of my eyelid. So this is my favorite color in the palette because I am a Leo. So I'm taking the Leo and I'm putting it on the middle portion of my lid and blending it into the Aries color. Now on the inner portion of my lid, I'm taking the Gemini and then I'm going to blend it into the Leo. Now I'm taking a big fluffy brush and I'm going to take some of the Taurus and just kind of give it some more warmth in that crease and blend everything together. Deepen up the outer corners. I'm going in with the Virgo. It's a nice chocolatey brown. Taking a little bit more of the Aries on my finger just to bring that color back since I kind of blended it away. Now I'm going to buff the Taurus on my lower lash line with this small pencil brush. I'm taking the Virgo and I'm just going to concentrate that on the outer portion of my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the Aries and I'm focusing that more on the middle portion of my lower lash line. For the lips, I'm just taking the shade Point Zero by Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. I'm just going to pop on some mascara and this look will be complete. Alright, my little rays of sunshine, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next from me. I'm so excited to do more fall looks like this one. I love the oranges and the browns and the purples and the vampy lips. Fall is my favorite season of all time, so I just cannot wait, and I'm absolutely obsessed with fall makeup, so I cannot wait. But if you want to see more of me and more looks like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell notification to be notified every time I upload so you don't miss a video. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.